Welcome to the programming workout of mine. Let's just get started.
Accidental side effect of the drug.
Oh, this is bad. Oh, that's good. It's first run in the day. %, that's not bad. Why is the music lagging? Everything is lagging. Oh well, it is what it is. This seems to be a good run. 2%! Let's go! Let's go! That's what I'm talking about. That's pretty good. 10 seconds, so I will not be able to do that, but I can prepare. Yeah, so typing sessions over, start Java thingy. So yesterday we end up doing what? Hash map, tree map, I think we did as last. Yeah. Hey, how are you guys? Oh fuck, no, I didn't. Wait, this is a T. Hey. Yeah. Apparently mentally I was away. Damn it. Thank you for telling me. So what are we doing? Tree map. Yeah, that's Java. A tree map. Alright. Did we do everything? I think we did. So and this one is not really. Oh, thank you for the follow. We'll regret that. Switchbot in Java? No. I'm just learning. So, well, yeah. So. Oh, thank you for the follow. How many people are there? There's wow. Hey, there's a lot of people today. That's nice. So we had a 3 set. I want weak hash map. What the fuck is that? Okay, so we will create a class weak what? Weak hash map. Just is streaming Clash of Code also? Yes, I am. Hello, Spypick. Weak hash map is a hash map that did not eat fishes. You should get an ad blocker for that side. Yeah, I have ad blocker and it doesn't work for some reason on that side. I don't know why. I don't care anymore. But let's weak stuff in languages. Hello, welcome. How many people is there? Welcome and thank you for the follow. HGGSE. Yeah, what usually. It's related to weak references. What the fuck is weak reference? Do you see how noob I am? I don't even know what weak reference is. Well, a little bit. I know how. Oh fuck. A little bit. I know how the garbage collection works. No one knows. Nobody knows. Only garbage collector knows. Anyway, I'll restart the timer. Weak hash map is an implementation of the map interface that stores only weak references to its keys. Okay.
This track takes me back to my adolescence for sure. This track comes to us from the 1996 EBM Classic by Covenant, one of the best down-tempo EBM tracks of all time in my opinion. You can check this and a ton of other industrial...
Weak references. In this article, we will have a look at the concept of weak reference in the Java language. We are going to explain what these are, what they are used for, and how to work with them properly. Garbage collection can be implemented in a simple way by counting how many variables refer to that object in memory. Yes. If no variables refer to it, it's free to be yes. When adding a value to a hash map, it has a reference now, so it won't ever get automatically deleted. Yes. But let's say you don't want that value. Value is deleted in its original context. You also want it gone from off. Daniel. Oh wow! Thank you so much. Drunk time lore. That's wow. Thank you. That's actually well. You're really good at explaining. Wow, I can understand. That's wow. And you haven't done. Fuck me sideways. Not even people who never did anything in Java are better in it. I don't know what RC is in Rust, but I know you love Rust. It's clear by the garbage column when it's weak. The reachable. Weak reachable means an object isn't neither stroke nor soft references pointing to it. Reach it on by traversing weak reference. First off, the garbage collector clears a weak reference. Transferable. That was probably not intentional, but came out funny. Programming knowledge is very transferable, unless it's Haskell. At the same time, formally weakly reachable objects are going to be finalized. Weak versus soft. Sometimes the difference between weak and soft references is unclear. Soft references is basically a big LRU cache. Okay, I don't know what LRU cache is. Some kind of cache. Haha. It is a wordplay that stands for one word, and I wonder if you can guess. It is. If you can guess, I don't know. I'm inclined to do something for you, but I don't know what. LRU cache. What is LRU? I don't know. It's probably not important. Fucking A, Drunk Time Lord knows everything. LRU cache is a way to store computed values from a function. Tell cache the most used. supposed to use X values. So pretty similar to other programming, just really think about it. Well, if you look into my icon, it is, the log is, well, you can say the log in another way, and on the right side is another word, and if you put those two words together, it forms another one. Yeah, and it is a profession in Canada. That is the hint. Or US too, I think. Friends, you know what? Oh, it's not too long, so I can read it. As stated by Java recommendation, weak references are most often used to implement canonicalizing mappings. Holy fuck, it's all French to me. Oh! Fucking A, you must be... You're really intelligent, Drunk Time Lord, and know everything. Wow. That's amazing. That comes from my previous, the icon comes from my previous job. I was in a Scrum team with the name of Lumberjacks, and the Scrum Master wanted us to everyone have a Lumberjack icon, avatar, instead of your face. And I was kind of rebellious, so I did create this one and said, oh, there's a lumberjack in my in my avatar, and they did like it, so I had it for a bit.
From the 2007 release, Undestroyable Structures. This was their last release as far as I know, and I must say I am hungry for more.
Oh, hold on. I'm jumping around since of reference as a case. It may continue to be reachable even if the referent itself is not. Sure. As a matter of fact, the soft reference is eligible for collection if and only if the referent is not strongly reachable. The referent is the thing I'm referring to. That's referent. Maybe. Soft reference is not being accessed recently. So a soft reference might be available for minutes or even hours after the reference becomes unreachable. On the other hand, a weak reference will be available only for as long as its reference still around. So there's a soft reference and there's a weak reference. Weak reference goes away immediately. Soft reference may stay around for a bit, okay? Stated by Java documentation, weak references are most often used to implement canonicalizing mappings. Mapping is called canonicalized if it holds only one instance of particular value. If it holds only one instance, it can hold more instances. Rather than creating a new object, it looks up for existing one in mappings and uses it. Oh, I see. Of course, the most known use of these references is weak hash map. Yeah, that's what I'm trying to It's the implementation of MET interface where every key is stored as a weak reference to a given key. Where every key is stored as a weak reference to a given key. Shouldn't this be a value? Key. When the garbage collector removes a key, entity associated with this key is deleted as well. For more information, check out blah blah blah, our guide to weak hash map maybe. I will check that. Another area where the use is the last listener for problem. Publisher. The subject holds strong references to all subscribers, to listeners, to notify them about events that happened, yeah. The problem arises when a listener can successfully unsubscribe from a publisher. I think so. Weak hash map. Here, double shift and double shift enter. Okay. Oh, or I can, yeah. So this is the text we're referring to. Yeah. The docs are above class declaration. Oh, thank you. First, wow. Hash table-based implementation of the map interface with weak keys and entry. In a weak hash map will automatically be removed when its key is no longer in ordinary use. Entry. Key is no longer. More precisely, the presence of mapping for a given key will not prevent the key from being discarded. The garbage collector, that is made finalizable, finalized, and then reclaimed. When a key has been discarded, its entry is effectively removed. So this class behaves somewhat differently from other map implementations. Yeah, but here, how can I remove the key? When a key has been discarded, What do you mean by that? Discarded by me or by... There's no way I can see it in here, right? Like, that will happen. Discarded as in there's no reference to it anymore. I see. So if I have a so this will be weak hash map of type let's do, what the f is happening? Oh, insert, let's do string, right, and then for example you have a block which you make the key and then you go out of the block, the key can be garbage collected. Ah, you really know your shit. Okay. Okay, so it will be... Okay, so if... So we will create a block, right? And then... I want to create the key. So we will have a string key equals key, and then we will say read hashmap dot put key value. So with the Vim plugin you can go to the declaration of class with GD. Oh, really? GD. That's awesome. Thank you. That's awesome. That's awesome. That's awesome. That's cool. Go declaration. Oh wow. Instead of history, you can also make a block without the if. Okay. If I want to delete like this thing, what would be the... How would you do it in Vim? Because normally I would go into insert mode and then I press delete, but I'm sure there is a faster. What do I do? Hey, least the 68. So we have, and here it should the weak hash map should was the enter with key. D0. Oh, deletes to the beginning of the line. Oh, that's so cool. So it will be, oh fuck. So this, that, there's some garbage, right? And then, oh fuck. Escape, undo. So here and delete 0. That's cool. That's cool. Oh, that's awesome. That's awesome. D0. Ah, that's so okay. Okay, so maybe Vim is not so bad. Uh, that's cool. So what did I do? Undo. Delete. Right. Suddenly. Undo. Escape. Delete. What happened? Delete. 0. Yeah. That's sweet. That's actually good. Huh. Actually, to make sure it lost the key, you might have to call the garbage collector. Yeah, but you cannot guarantee it will be garbage collected, right? You just mark it for garbage collection, and the garbage collector will decide whenever it wants to garbage collect it, right? I mean, this will never guarantee that it will be garbage collected at that time, right? If I do system GC and I go to definition, runs the garbage collector in the it runs. Calling the GC method suggests that the Java virtual machine expend effort toward recycling unused object in order to make the memory they currently occupy available for reuse by the Java virtual machine. Ah. Oh my fucking god. That's cool. So, fuck. Escape, undo, insert some text, and then I do delete, fuck. Escape and delete. Ah, that's awesome. Delete. Oh wow, that's cool. That's freaking cool. That's pretty nice. That's freaking awesome. I have my first troll. I never had a troll. This is my first one. That's cool. That's awesome. Yeah. We should feed him. My first troll. Okay. So that's pretty nice. That's pretty neat. And I am doing. I was reading the. Big hash map. So I go here and go definition. There you go. What's up with the music? The presence of mapping for the key will not prevent key from being discarded in the garbage collector, but it's made final buzzer and reclaimed. Okay, so when it has been discarded its entry, which we just did in the block, for example, it is effectively just do it, just learn. Count that its entry is effectively removed from the map. So this class behaves somewhat differently from other map implementations, sure. Both null values and the null key are supported. Well, and we are over the time limit, which means this round is this round of Java drill is done. So I'll stop the timer.